Ibrahimovic is banned. Wayne Rooney dropped. United have gone for pace. Alexis Sanchez has made it safely back from South America, and he does start. Mata, it's not quite bent back enough. Whether he was going.
I think that Valencia's going to win that head. I think it's Theo Walcott got some really good flick on. Phil Jones is playing Sanchez on side. He's in front of Herrera. He makes a real mess of it.
Scored a tuck round on the cover. Now Martial. Valencia. Oh, he brought down by Monreal now. Monreal wants a yellow card for a dive for the Manchester United man. And Mourinho is absolutely livid.
Well, it looked clumsy at best for Monreal. The world's against Jose, according to Jose. Gets through. Martial. Whether it was a foul to start with, no, he's just stronger. Gets away. He starts to shoot rather than take it forwards. Pressure's building. Arsenal would be thinking counter-attack.
Pogba. Herrera, Rooney's unmarked. And so too is Mata! It has been coming. And Juan Mata has supplied it. Competition since the opening day of the season. Well, they've got something in them. And this might be it. It is! Olivier Giroud! 1-1. A perfect chance fashioned for him. Much of this game, it looked like the same old story at Old Trafford for Arsenal. A handshake at the end, nice to see between the two rival managers. Arsene Wenger, and credit to him, two of his substitutes.